In the intricate tapestry of existence, there lies a profound concept: the unwavering commitment of the universe to restore the precious years we may have deemed lost. Though initially surreal, this notion is deeply entrenched in faith, spirituality, and personal growth. As we embark on this journey, we traverse into the realm of signs and signals, subtle yet discernible, offering glimpses into the universe's remarkable capacity to rejuvenate and renew our lives. The idea of the universe restoring lost years resonates with a profound sense of hope and wonder. It signifies the belief in the universe's power not just to mend what appears broken but also to enhance, fortify, and elevate our existence. Through this odyssey, we unravel these signs, indicators of the universe's benevolence at work, manifesting as a promise of restoration, a profound metamorphosis that transcends the confines of time and circumstance. Sign 1. One of the most poignant signs that the universe is poised to restore perceived lost years lies in the profound experience of healing and wholeness. Emotional wounds, often unseen yet deeply felt, possess the remarkable ability to diminish one's physical vitality and overall well-being. Emotional trauma can prove more incapacitating than physical injuries, casting long shadows over our lives. However, as the universe embarks on its intricate work of restoration, it initiates a process of gradual healing that permeates every aspect of our being. Consider Sarah's story, a woman burdened for years by a past laden with emotional scars. The weight of these unhealed wounds took a toll on her physical health, leaving her feeling depleted and emotionally fragile. Yet, guided by unseen hands, Sarah embarked on a journey of self-discovery, delving into spiritual practices and embracing the universe's power to restore. Over time, she relinquished the pain and heartbreak that had held her captive for so long. The universe's benevolent force worked within her, granting her the ability to forgive those who had deeply wounded her. This transformation extended beyond the emotional realm alone. Sarah's physical health also witnessed a remarkable shift. The universe's healing touch, whether manifesting gradually or through sudden transformation, became evident in her newfound emotional and physical well-being. Her story serves as a powerful testament to the universe's capacity to restore even the most deeply wounded souls to a state of healing and wholeness, infusing them with infinite compassion. Sign 2. Another unmistakable sign that the universe is on the cusp of restoring perceived lost years lies in the experience of abundance and the influx of unexpected blessings. When financial prosperity begins to grace our lives, it is crucial to recognize these blessings as manifestations of the universe's benevolence. Yet, the universe's restoration is not confined solely to financial matters. It extends its generous hand to all aspects of our lives. Imagine unexpectedly encountering favorable circumstances, sometimes in the form of financial windfalls, but often as blessings that transcend monetary value. Strangers may extend acts of kindness, acquaintances may offer assistance without apparent cause, and opportunities may arise from unexpected quarters. This extraordinary array of unexpected blessings serves as a testament to the universe's intention to restore all that we may have perceived as lost. Sign 3. An overpowering desire to demonstrate kindness and compassion to those around us is yet another sign that the universe is restoring perceived wasted years. This inexplicable yearning transcends mere obligation, transforming into an innate impulse to make the world a better place. The compassion cultivated through adversity compels us to provide help to those in need, regardless of our abundance of resources. It's as if the universe's benevolence has ignited a flame within us, guiding our actions toward a path of selfless giving. This transformation isn't limited to sporadic acts of kindness. It marks a profound shift in our character. Our hearts become conduits for divine love, channeling not only tangible gifts but also meaningful acts that benefit our community and those around us. The universe's intention to restore our lost years becomes evident in our relentless pursuit of compassion, a sign that our lives are undergoing a profound transformation, guided by forces beyond the visible. Sign 4. One of the pivotal indicators that the universe is actively involved in restoring perceived lost years is the remarkable surge in inner strength and resilience amidst life's myriad challenges and adversities. This newfound fortitude equips individuals with unwavering determination to confront and overcome obstacles. It feels as though the universe bestows upon them the strength to weather life's storms, recognizing their journey towards restoration. The restoration process often accompanies a rediscovery of life's purpose. Perhaps due to various circumstances, individuals momentarily lose sight of their true calling. However, the universe, in its infinite wisdom, guides them towards rekindling that inner spark, allowing them to uncover or reignite their life's purpose. This clarity of purpose, intertwined with newfound strength, serves as a powerful sign that the universe diligently works towards restoring lives. It signifies that not only is the universe mending what may have been fractured, but it is also empowering individuals to emerge from adversity even stronger and more determined than before. Sign 5. Another indication that the universe is restoring seemingly wasted years is a profound realignment of one's will with the universe's ordained purpose for their life. As restoration unfolds, individuals observe a subtle yet transformative shift in their preferences, particularly those that may not align with the universe's divine plan. They realign not just their tastes but also their desires, steering them toward choices that resonate with the universe's purpose. This newfound alignment with the universe's will bestows upon individuals a deep sense of joy and fulfillment. It's as if they have discovered the missing puzzle piece that completes the intricate mosaic of their life. Happiness flows effortlessly, stemming from the knowledge that their life is unfolding precisely as the universe has intended. This alignment with the universe's divine purpose signifies a crucial step in the restoration process, indicating that their life is being guided back on course by celestial forces beyond human comprehension. Moreover, this alignment fosters a profound sense of inner peace, as individuals find solace in the knowledge that their choices and actions are harmoniously attuned to the universe's grand design. Sign 6. When faced with chaos and challenges, the sense of peace that permeates individuals' everyday lives serves as a powerful indication that the universe is diligently working to restore perceived lost years. This inner serenity is a precious gift from the universe and embodies the essence of restoration. The universe, in its boundless wisdom, does not merely remove obstacles in individuals' paths. Instead, it bestows upon them the strength and tranquility to navigate them with grace and resilience. This inner peace emanates from a deep wellspring within individuals and offers a profound sense of assurance that regardless of the trials and tribulations they may encounter, everything is ultimately unfolding for their highest good. This peace serves as a guiding light, reassuring individuals that the universe is intricately weaving the threads of their destiny back together, one moment at a time. It's a remarkable sign that the universe is actively engaged in restoring the years individuals may have considered wasted.